Honorable Director Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all worthy teachers and my dear friends. First of all, great morning to all of you.
Great morning, Tamanna.
My name is Tamanna. Today I am here for speech and my topic is line, angle and polynomial. Firstly, I am going to tell you about line. It has no endpoint. It is represented by a. We can extend it from both the sides because it is not fixed. Ray. It has one endpoint and one fixed point. It can extend from only one side because it has one fixed point. Next, line segment. In line segment, both points are fixed. We cannot extend the line segment from both the sides because it has fixed point. Now, collinear point. If two or more points on the same line, that is said to be collinear point. Next, angle and types of angle. Angle. When two lines are originate from a common endpoint or a common vertex is known as angle. Angle is consist of common arms, vertex. And types of angle, there are 7 types of angle. First, zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle and complete angle. Zero angle. An angle whose measure is 0 degree is known as zero angle. Next, acute angle. An angle whose measure is between 0 to 90 degree is known as acute angle. Right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degree is known as right angle. Straight angle. An angle whose measure is 180 degree is known as straight angle. Obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is known as obtuse angle. Reflex angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is known as reflex angle. Complete angle. An angle whose measure is completely 360 degree is known as complete angle. In complete angle, a full circle is formed. Its measure is 360 degree. Next, transversal line. If two parallel lines are cut by the third line, that is said to be transversal line. Adjacent angle. Adjacent angle are those angles in which their angles are adjacent to each other is known as adjacent angle. Next, vertically opposite angle. In vertically opposite angle, two angles are vertically opposite to each other, then it is said to be vertically opposite angle. Constant. An angle and polynomial whose value is fixed is known as constant. For example, 2, 3, 6, etc. Variable. A polynomial in which the value is not fixed is known as variable. For example, a, b, y, etc. Polynomial. The polynomial in the polynomial, the whole exponent will present in whole number is known as polynomial. For example, 5x square plus 7, etc. Algebraic expression. The combination of constant and variable connected by 4 fundamental operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is known as algebraic expression. Classification of polynomial on the basis of terms and degree. On the basis of terms, there are 3 types: monomial, binomial and trinomial. Monomial. In monomial, a polynomial which contains only one kind of term is known as monomial. For example, 7x, 5x, etc. Binomial. A polynomial in which the 2 kinds of polynomial is known as binomial. For example, 7x plus 5x. This is all about my topic. Have you clear to all this? Thank you. Have a nice day.